Hi guys, my name is Nikus Daga and you're watching Not So Technical. In this video we are going to talk about some of my favorite tips and tricks in iOS 13 and above devices. So let's get started. So guys, for this first pro tip, it's pretty simple and handy. I know most of you already know this, but for those of you who don't know, we can use the spacebar as a trackpad. If you just press and hold on the spacebar, then it can be used as a trackpad and we can go wherever we like on our text and change anything we like. It's very precise too. The next step is also a keyboard shortcut. As most of us already know that by holding down on the currency symbol, we can get the option of the popular currency symbols. Similarly, if we hold down on the 0 key, we get the option to insert the degree symbol. For the next step, we have some screenshot shortcuts. As we all know, to take a screenshot, we need to press the lock or power button with the volume key and lock button and the home button for previous models. We can also take a screenshot by using the assistive touch. How to do that, we'll talk that in the later part of the video. Here we can share the screenshot instantly by pressing the share button and then deleting the screenshot directly without saving it to your phone. Or we can also just hold and press the screenshot to directly share them. Now let's come to assistive touch. To enable assistive touch, drag down on the home screen and type assistive touch, and this will take us straight to its setting. Here we can enable or disable assistive touch and can also customize it to any way we like holding down on the panel to lock the screen, so that we don't have to keep using the lock screen too much. To know your remaining warranty period, we can directly go to Settings, General, About, and there we will find Limited Warranty Remaining. Like mine is till 1st of October 2020. If you have Apple Care, then it will also show. The next step is for those who uses the Reminder app frequently. Did you know that you can set the alarm in the Reminder app in terms of minutes instead of 5 minutes intervals? Just double tap the minutes and it will switch to per minutes, and double tap again to switch it to 5-minute intervals. Now, I know some of you must be wondering how everything in my phone is in black instead of white. The answer is simple: the dark mode. To enable the dark mode, just go to the settings, display and brightness, and just select the dark instead of light. Or you can just drag down from the top right corner of your screen to the control center and press and hold the brightness bar, and there you will find the dark mode. Now the next step is for those who have a lot of apps just like me and uses folders to segregate them. If you're one of them, then once or twice at least, you surely have faced the issue of notifications, like which of the apps of the folder actually has the notification. Just press and hold the folder and it will show you which apps have the notification. Up next, we have a few Safari related tips. Like while playing a video directly in the browser, we can have more control while forwarding or rewinding a video. We can hold the 15-second forward or rewind button to get to the exact second where we want. So guys, if you're like me, who has like a gazillion tabs open and want to get rid of some of them, then you can just go to the tabs, and at the top you can find a search bar where you can type any keyword. Every tab related to it will be selected, and by holding down on the cancel button, we can close all of the tab at once. It's that easy. For the last tip of the video, I have a pretty unique tip, which I'm sure most of you don't know about it. By turning on the reduce white point option in the settings menu and increasing it to 100, we can lower the brightness of our screen up to a point where it will appear that the phone is turned off. Here's a live example. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more content like this, subscribe.